NiceJob is one of the most talked about reputation management tools right now, but before you hit that buy button, here are 7 things you absolutely need to know. These key insights will help you decide if it's the right choice for you and how it stacks up against other competitors in the space. First, let's talk about how NiceJob simplifies the process of gathering reviews. Unlike other platforms that require a lot of manual intervention, NiceJob automates the review request process, sending out reminders to customers at the perfect time. This means you can focus more on running your business and less on chasing down feedback. Compare this to something like Trustpilot, where the process can be a bit more tedious and requires more hands-on effort. NiceJob's simplicity is definitely a big plus for busy business owners. Next thing to consider is how NiceJob integrates with your existing tools. If you're using platforms like Google, Facebook, or Yelp for reviews, you'll be happy to know that NiceJob integrates seamlessly with them. It's much more versatile than other competitors like Podium, which can be a bit more limited in integration options. So if you've already invested time and resources into those platforms, you won't need to start from scratch. The third thing you should know is about customer support. NiceJob offers fantastic customer service with live chat, email, and even phone support. Unlike some competitors who only offer basic online support, NiceJob's commitment to making sure you have what you need when you need it is one of the reasons many users love it. Whether you're setting up your account or need help solving a problem, their team is always ready to assist. Now, let's talk about price. While NiceJob isn't the cheapest tool on the market, the value you get is well worth the investment. With its automation, integrations, and customer support, it gives you a lot more than what you typically get from a lower tier product like review trackers. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution that will help you get more reviews, manage them, and even showcase them on your website, NiceJob is definitely the better choice for serious businesses. The fifth thing to consider is how customizable the platform is. NiceJob lets you tailor your review requests and follow-up messages to align with your brand voice, which is a feature some competitors lack. This is especially important for businesses that want to maintain a consistent image across all customer touchpoints. Customization makes NiceJob stand out because you're not stuck with one-size-fits-all templates. Next up is the analytics and reporting features. NiceJob provides detailed reports on how your reviews are performing, how many customers are leaving feedback, and where you stand compared to industry averages. Competitors like Birdeye offer similar features, but NiceJob's reports are much easier to read and digest, which saves you time and lets you focus on taking actionable steps based on data. The final thing to know is how it helps you build trust with potential customers. As you accumulate more reviews, NiceJob displays them on your website in a visually appealing way. It's designed to increase conversions by showing off the best reviews at the right moments. This feature really helps elevate your credibility, something that's sometimes missing with other software that doesn't showcase reviews as effectively on your website. If you want to give NiceJob a try, make sure to click the first link in the description below to get the best free trial available. Not only will you get to experience the software firsthand, but you'll also gain access to some exclusive benefits that will help you get the most out of your trial. Don't miss out.